How you doing, everybody? I am Scott Jelinek, and I am standing here with Jasminique and Erica and George. We are celebrating margaritas once again for their very first deal that they just closed, but this is a good story for you today. So she's got a check here for $11,500, and I'm going to let her tell you exactly what she did to get this one. So first off, how did you find the deal?
We found this deal while my partner Erica, she was actually showing a home in Portsmouth to another investor, and we're always keeping our eye open for vacant properties, and so she texted me over the address and the info, and I did a little bit of research, and we contacted the seller, and come to find out it had been vacant for about 3 years. She left to take care of her mother in Virginia Beach, and she had no plans on returning to the home, so we worked out a deal, and we were finally able to close yesterday, and it worked out. It was pretty easy, actually.
Awesome.
What do you have to add to that?
I think she's absolutely right.
Oh yeah, and when we told her that, well, when I showed her for the appointment, she's like, oh, you're with the We Buy Houses people, and we're like, yeah. She's like, I get so much stuff in the mail from them that I thought it was a scam, and she's like, you know, had you not called me, I probably would have never sold it. So followed through.
So the other thing she did that was absolutely awesome is, rather than sending a letter like we always do, how did you get in touch with her?
Skip tracing. I found her phone number on the internet, and just cold called.
She called her up on the phone, made a deal with her, sold it, got a check here for $11,500.
Yeah.
Congratulations. So one last thing, Kevin's going to make me ask you this. If you have one thing you can tell to somebody brand new getting started and what they would do if they're getting started, what would you give a piece of advice getting started?
First of all, start immediately. Start right now. Don't wait. And anyone can do it. Anyone. It just takes consistency, persistence, and you know, find a good group of people that you can network with. That's like 3 things, right? 4. But just start.
George, you have anything to add?
No, they did a great job. They're awesome people. I think you have another one that's getting ready to close soon. And,
Yeah, about 2
they're
weeks.
doing what they need to do. They're going to do really great.
All right. Well, thank you for watching, and we look forward. We'll see you on the next video.